Braćo Srbi, dok smo se mi borili za Kosovo i Republiku Srpsku, izdajnik Vučić u Londonu pred BBC-em kleči i moli Merkelovu: zatvorite granice, mi ćemo odmah primiti 15.000 migranata, koliko god hoćete, samo recite. Dok vi strahujete za budućnost dece, on nudi Srbiju kao koloniju za džihadiste i švercere.
I can tell you, I was in Brussels several times, even with Angela Merkel and all European leaders regarding that migration issue. And what we were dissatisfied with it was that Europe couldn't find a comprehensive solution on migrant crisis. And we were just saying to them, whatever you say to us, we'll deliver on that. Whatever you say to us, we'll deliver on that. But on the other hand, but we are also ready to be a part of European solution, even including quota system, and to have, let's say, 5 or 10,000 people in our country, if they would like to stay in our country.
5 or 10, is that the kind of number that we're talking about?
5, 10 or 15, doesn't matter.
Okay, but you would agree?
Yes,
Right, yeah.
we would agree.
But you would agree?
Yes,
Right, yeah.
we would agree.